What's up, guys? We are going to replace these side vents here, these fog lights vents here, to match the RS5 grill that we have installed. I've seen a bunch of videos and some people were taking the whole bumper off. I did that to replace the grill, but you do not have to do that to replace the fog lights. It's pretty easy, just takes a couple of minutes and a nice little modification to look at. So we'll get going now. First step here is we're just gonna put your hands in here. There's some little holes. Just start to tug gently, and you'll hear it start to crack out. And right there, you're out. Nice and easy. Next, just take the new grill, and you'll see that there's some tiny slots in there. I don't think they'll come up on camera. That just lock in. You'll start to hear it click. And once it's all clicked in, you're all set. You now have your matching grill and matching fog lights. That's all. Thanks for watching.